Peace be with you. How are you doing? Today is September 29 and we are celebrating the feast of Saint Michael the Archangel. Saint Michael is one among the seven archangels of the Lord, and his name was mentioned twice in the Old Testament and twice also in the New Testament. The word Michael means who is like God or who can be equal to God. Michael reminds us that we can never play God. But of course, we know that Satan wanted to be like God. That's why he said, non serviam, I will not serve. In the gospel for today, we're reminded that if we want to enter the kingdom of heaven, we have to live like children. We have to be childlike. We have to be humble. Humility is the uh, mother of all virtues. And so, if we want to attain perfection, we can never like Satan, who wanted to be served than to serve. Saint Michael reminds us that we are not in control of everything. God is in control. That's why Psalm, the book of Psalm, reminds us, be still and know that I am God. So my dear friends, let us not play God. Let us not try to control everything as if the world is in our hands. But rather, like the Anawim, let us place everything in God's hands. Let us place our lives in God's hands. And let God be the one to be in control of our lives. Let go and let God. Stay humble and will be the greatest among the saints if we practice humility. Amen.